Indian Companies Act 2013 has introduced a new concept called one-person company and small company. One-person company will have only one director and shareholder, and this is suitable for the first generation entrepreneurs. This company will lose its one-person company status if paid up capital exceeds 50 lakhs or average annual turnover is more than 2 crore in the 3 immediate preceding consecutive years. Okay. Even an existing private company other than those companies registered under Section 8 of Companies Act, that is for charitable objects. Okay, so even existing private companies can convert themselves into one-person company if paid up share capital is 50 lakh or less, or average turnover during the preceding period, okay, is 2 crore or less. And for this purpose they have to pass a special resolution in general meeting. Okay, and this one person company concept would encourage corporatization of micro businesses. It will promote entrepreneurship, and here promoters need not spend too much of their time on legal compliances and its complexities. Okay, so basically this move is intended to generate employment opportunity, and Companies Act has provided concessional requirements, or say relaxed requirements, for one person companies here.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.